welcome back to my channel. For today's video is I'm going to test this out, this Tati Beauty palette. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm so excited. I was so happy when I received this in the mail. I've been in the waiting list for about 2 months now. It was sold out, and of course we're not, you know, we don't have that PR from Tati, so I really have to wait and sign up for their waiting list. And here you go, and I finally got it. Oh my goodness, I am really a fan of Tati. So when she came out with this palette, I was so excited, and I went ahead and go out of my way to like really purchase it. And I went online and all that, and it was sold out. I did the waiting list, and here you go. And this is the palette right here. There you go. That's the palette, guys. It has like, it has glitters. Sorry, but you can see everything here. It's got glitter, metallic, sequined, and matte shades in this palette, so it's really perfect. It's also cruelty free and vegan, so there you go. And this is the volume 1. I'm assuming there's gonna be more coming up soon, so yeah. But hold on a minute, I'm gonna show you the box, like the box that this one came, like I really die for. So this is, well, this is just how it was, you know, with my address in it. But look at this. When you open it, look, there's her face. Oh my goodness, look how pretty. Oh my goodness, look, I wish I have like that neck bone and the jawline, but anyways, there you go. And she has the beautiful is your what story to tell. It's got here, and she have her signatures right here. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this, like even the box, I'm gonna keep it. Anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead try out this palette right here. Let's do like a first impression, you know, slash review with this palette, and let's see what kind of look we can create. Just stick around and when watching. Anyways, I've already did my foundation and my eyebrows and all that. Hopefully there won't be that much fallout, so it won't ruin my whole, you know, like face. And anyways, we shall proceed. So I think this is close enough for you know, for that. But before this, let me put some translucent powder right under here, so if in case it has fallout, we can just like brush it off, and we can also protect our finished base. First, let me prime my eyelids with this Anastasia primer. Let me take this one. Let me take this aura right here and put it all over our eyelids. Alright. Okay, so and then next is I'm gonna use this Soothe right over here for our transition. And the thing about this palette is this, it has a big mirror, and I love that. it's so smooth. It's very buttery, guys. The feels of it is very like, it's very smooth. And next is I'm gonna do this ritual with a smaller brush. I'm focusing on, like, I have a hooded lid, so I'm focusing on my crease, but I'm putting it right on, a little bit on top of my actual crease. And let's blend that out. Alright, so I think I'm gonna do like a halo eye look. So alright, these are the shades that I would really want to do. All this dark shades right here. Be careful when you do a smoky eye look. Make sure you powder up, or if you're really a beginner, you can do your eyes first before anything else. That way you can avoid fallouts. I'm gonna use this metallic side, and I'm gonna be using this kind of like bluish, navy bluish color. I'm gonna put that all over my eyelid. Doesn't look like it's sticking in. I think my eyelids was too dry now because of all the powders I put. So let me do the joyful, and I'm kind of like darken up this this crease right here before I put the black on it. Alright, I'm getting scared. So how about let me put this sequined, this black with some shimmer in it. So I'm gonna use a smaller brush, putting that on the corner and the inner corner and the outer corner right there. And then whatever left over, kind of like blend it together. Try to put just a little bit of like a concealer under there. I'm gonna use this Luxie brush that I have. Alright, let me try this. So for this glitter, I'm gonna use my finger and put it on like the center. Oh. It's so pretty. Look at that, guys. Oh I go like over with the whole glitter, I don't care, but it's really pretty. Oh my goodness. All right, let me try to put like this dark, like really like black color like on the corners of my eyelids. A circular motion. Alright, just to let you know guys, there's some fallouts right under here for on this eyeshadow, especially the glitters and on this darker shades. I'm so obsessed. Let me try to clean it up and finish up my bottom lids. And then I'm gonna get this I don't know, this champagne shade right here. Pretty. Now let's put the same one over here in my brow bone. Alright. Alright guys, let me put my eyelashes on and some maybe some eyeliner. So I'll be back. Okay. So that's my finish makeup look, eye look. I think I've already, yeah, I just went ahead and did my blush, my my highlighter. Anything that I use for this tutorial is gonna be down on the description below. I am so obsessed. Let me put lipstick on, and I will wrap it up and tell you everything, what's my thought about this palette. Alright guys, this is our finished look. Oh my gosh, I love this. Not only I love her, I really love this palette, you guys. Like, there's a lot of color choices in there you can choose from if you don't want a smoky eye look like what I just have right now. There's so many, like there's so many browns. There's like the reddish or the orangey color that you can use over here, or there's like this red berry colors in here. It's so pretty. The shade and the consistency of it, it's like butter. Especially this top one over here, and over here in this bottom ones, they are okay. So this right here are matte, and then this right here sheen in it, like a little satin in it. And then this metallic, it's metallic, it's got a shimmer, closer to like a little bit of glittery part. And this ones are, and the very top ones, they are pressed glitters, and they are so amazing. The metallic, I had a little bit of a trouble, but I kind of like worked through it. They're really amazing. Like the matte colors, they're very I'm not gonna say it's powdery, but like the consistency is very smooth, like smooth as a powder, but it's like it's really powdery and smooth, and it's very blendable. Especially the mattes, very blendable. Like the shades are very opaque. It's very pigmented, guys. So I don't mind really like paying this much. I think I have a new favorite now. So this eyeshadow palette it retails for $48. I know. Don't judge me. It's $48. Some of my makeups, whenever I purchase them, I have to have like some kind of a coupon, or I'm gonna use my points. So I don't really like pay pay the whole price for it, so it's like discounted. But with this Tati Beauty, I'm not part of her PR, you know, I'm not there to be included for her PR list. But I purchased this with my own money, and I think for me it's really worth it, especially if you're a fan. And I am so happy that I have this, I can add this in my collection. And yeah, so this is $48, and it was included with the shipping and all. It's, for me, it's worth it. I mean, I'm sorry, please don't judge me if I, you know, like if I spend that much. This is like a gift to myself. I've always been a fan of Tati for, I mean, forever, ever since I got hooked into watching makeup tutorials, reviews and all that. I've always been a fan of Tati. So for me, it was worth it that I purchased one of like her first palette. And yeah, and so my battery died. But anyways, I'm using my cell phone to do this. But anyways, I just want to say thank you guys for watching my video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next videos. See you guys soon. Bye.